Hey everybody, today I've got a 2023 Honda Accord Hybrid. This thing's got like 1,400 miles on it. The gentleman wanted the oil change, so we're going to reset the maintenance light. So foot off brake pedal, go ahead and push your start button twice to get the dash warmed up. And once that comes up, we are going to use the big screen over here to reset it. So if you're from the home screen, you want to scroll over to vehicle settings, click vehicle settings, and then you're going to scroll all the way down to maintenance info. Then you're going to select reset items, all due items, and then press reset, and that will reset your maintenance items. Sometimes you can go through here to do it, but this car doesn't want that to happen. It wants you to use this one. So there you go, everybody. That's how you reset the maintenance on a 2023 Honda Accord Hybrid. All right, everybody, thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe. You can always do that in that corner. Please give me a thumbs up if you like my automotive videos.